Hello everyone, it's me Chevy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make any Android smartphones automatically send SMS to any missed phone calls. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link to in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that, just scroll down below. Now you'll see here releases. Just click on it. Once again, scroll down below again. Now here you will see SMS reply.apk. So you need to download this apk file. So finally the file has been downloaded. Now just click on open, click on install. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now it will ask you some permissions. Just allow all the permission. Click on allow, click on allow again, click on allow, click on allow, click on the settings, click on allow again. Now you can see the status is active, so monitoring missed calls. So you can stop the service by clicking on stop service, and you can see here manage messages. Now by default it has already added some text message, so if you want to set your own custom text message, then you can just click on this plus and you can add your respective message. So let me add here some messages. So I have typed some new text messages and click on save. Now just select the respective text which you want to automatically send. So I'll select this new one which I've created. Now move back. Now you can minimize it. Now let me do a phone calls on this smartphone. So let me cancel it. So you can see I have received one message. So you can see it automatically sending SMS from which mobile I'm getting a missed call. So you can see here the exact SMS is being sent, which I have already set. So it's working perfectly. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily make any Android smartphones automatically send SMS to any missed phone calls. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.